Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik. In this session, we will going to cover Microsoft Cloud Server, Office 365 security. We will check and configure and we will check the status of the security, privacy and security. First, we need to log into admin page from admin account or admin.microsoft.com or office.com. Once you will going to log in your Microsoft Office 365 account, you just go to security setting. There is a option admin center. Just click on, because we will going to compile and check the status of security, because we will going to implement the security setting. Just click on security. Once you will click on security, it will be open defender page and security and compliance page. You need to click on security. Once you will click on security, you will going to check the policies and rules. So I will check the policy and rule. So just click on policy and rule. Once you will click on policy and rule, there is an option threat policy. What kind of threat? I am going to apply this process and this policy. I will going to apply in Exchange Server, Exchange Online services. It's mail services. So just click on threat policy. Once you will click on threat policy, there is an option anti-malware. The bottom you can check over here. What the thing we are going to check? We are going to protect our Exchange Server online email service from unnecessary threat and unnecessary spam viruses. So just click on anti-malware. Once you will click on anti-malware, you need to check your protection policies enable or no. So in my scenario, my protection policy already enabled. So this is the anti-malware process. So if you want to edit, just click on this. Once you will click on this, you can check the policies, which policy is enabled current. Malware, this is recommended or notify. If we are going to get any kind of undelivered message, will be notified by the admin. If we are going to if we will get any kind of anti-malware unnecessary emails, we will going to get the admin. So guys, this is the process to protect your Exchange Server, Exchange Online from threat. So we will check the configuration. So just click back to the policies and policy and rule. Once you will click the policies and rule, you need to check. Okay, I will going to check here. Policies and rule, threat policies, and there is an option configuration analyzer. You can check over here configuration analyzer. I will rectify and checking the status of a configuration analyzer, and in this page you can check the configuration of Exchange Online services. Strict recommendation, click on strict recommendation, and if you want to quarantine the message, you can check from the here and change the status from here. And standard recommendation is this. If you want to change the status of configure email threshold, you can also change from here. So guys, this is the process and checking the status of if you are facing any kind of anti-malware issues and anti-spam emails, you can check and increase the status, or you can go to the strict recommendation. You can also enable the, suppose I will going to enable the apply the configuration, because I want this to be 7 to 5. If I will change it, because currently I am having in 7, I will allow till the 7 emails and now I will change into the 5. It's anti-spam emails, or you can also quarantine the anti-phishing emails. So just need to click on anti-phishing email and apply the setting. So guys, this is the process to check the recommendation and process of anti-malware. So we will going to jump on security and again security and policies. So go to security and policy. So again I will come on to the security page, and now I will going to click on secure score. I will check the secure score of my cloud server. So current my cloud server security percentage is 42.86. So I will check the recommendation action. So till my score is create safe link, so I can create the safe link. Just click on this and click on this and manage the, just click on this. Once you will click on this, you will security and compliance, you will jump on the security and compliance, and you can also check here move message. This is the process which you need to apply. There is an option from protect don't expire password. You can click it's completed, password will not going to expire. This is the secure score. Enable the policies, because I have already enabled these services. Enable the policies to block the legacy on authentication. You just need to click on this and double click. You can check over there implementation managed by history and manage Microsoft, and safe link. You can check the safe link. Again you need to log into, click on, and you can apply these services. So this is the process to secure your Microsoft secure score. If you want to protect all user with sign risk policy, you just click on this and just implement this. And because currently I already have enabled these services in my scenario, MFA, this is already enabled. So guys, this is the process to enable your secure scores in. If you want to restrict, there is one more option in Microsoft Secure strict. There is a strict anonymous user joining the meeting. Yes, you can strict this. This is important. You can click on strict and you can strict this also. Just click on this safe link, manage, click on manage. You can strict any user any unusual user cannot come inside your meeting, cannot join to the meeting. Unauthorized user cannot join the meeting. So guys, this is the process to enable the email security and secure score. So now we need to jump on multi-factor authentication. So again you need to go to, just close this browser, it's fine. You can enable the joining, just already off. If you want, just enable the anonymous user. Once you will enable, anonymous user can join the meeting. You should know about this. Anonymous user interact with the application. No, I already power off, and just click on save and discard the setting and close this browser. So I will jump on the multi-factor authentication. Go to active users, click on active users. Once click on active user, this is the active user, and there is a, once you will this is the active directory of Office 365 admin page. So click on multi-factor authentication. Once you will click on multi-factor authentication, and again it's looking for login. So because I already have login, but it's okay. Now you have jump on multi-factor authentication. So you can enable the multi-factor authentication services from here. So I want to enable the multi-factor authentication to this user, or every user you can enable. So as you can check over here, this srcleaning.info is enforced. It's already enabled. Do you want to enable this service? Just click on the user, update the bulk, click on bulk. Once you will click on you don't need to click on bulk, it's bulk setting. You once select the username and click to enable. So you are going to enable the, so you can check over here, you have successfully enabled the multi-factor authentication. So there is no two user who are having multi-factor authentication. Once multi-factor authentication, you can check over here is multi-factor authentication. This user already have multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication in cloud services, it's very important. You need to enable in all users. So now we will discuss about the services setting. There is a services. You can check over here, services and setting. Check the services. This is the phone text message. This if user will going to log in or multi-factor, it's multi-factor authentication. Allow user to create password, sign a non-browser option. These are the all services in multi-factor authentication. So we'll on to the welcome to Microsoft 365 Defender. Just click on next. I will going to apply the Microsoft Office 365 Defender. So you can protect employee against advanced email security threat. So you can enable this or click to next. Once you click to next, again you click to next. Again you need to click on done. So now you have enabled the Microsoft Defender policies. So you can check the identity. It protects your 86.36 identity is protected by the cloud server or Microsoft Defender. So guys, this is the process, and this is the technique to enable your Office 365 cloud services, security and policy you can implement, and you can increase the secure score in email exchange online. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.